How's it going, everyone? Just wanted to do a recap of this week's price action and what I saw and plays that I took. I was not watching the market Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, so that's all hindsight. However, Thursday and Friday I was. So last week we failed to take this low out. So if we look in on the daily chart here, failed to take this out, finished Friday with a retracement up. So we were wondering how far up can this retracement go? And from that, I saw the order block here on the daily time frame and was expecting to move into this before we would drop lower and take out this low. So if we look at each day's price action here, messed up the times a little, didn't realize I was on Mountain Time, not Eastern Time, so these are going to be off a little bit if you look at them, but same thing. Go into Monday here. Since we are below and expecting a retracement up into here, expecting to be bullish. So I want to see some swing lows taken out and then a move higher. However, nothing gets taken out, not taken out, not taken out, right? So no trades there. Tuesday, once we get up into here, we're becoming bearish, right? However, there's no real trades, right? I mean, you could look for a trade in here when this short-term low is taken out, right? Market structure shift. However, nothing that I really like in here. Could also look when this liquidity is taken out up here. So looking on Wednesday here, also did not trade it. However, if I look into it, I'm looking for liquidity right here, right? Since I was asleep here, and this is when I'd wake up, I'm looking right in here. So you might say, oh, well, I don't want to get short this far into a move. However, if we look at the daily chart, we're only right in here, right? So we're expecting to take out these lows, that's still a lot of movement. So we look into the 5-minute chart here, get a short-term low, right? Market structure shift down, a retracement into this fair value gap and order block. You'd sell short there with your stop on these highs and targeting right down here at 39.05. Why are you targeting right there? Zoom out to the hour chart and you have a nice fair value gap there. So just take off your position, at the start of it. That's what I like to do, not to be greedy. So if we move into Thursday, this is when some moves, or this is when I was actually watching the market, and so I saw some moves. So look at this level right here, take the liquidity there, can look to go short. We are looking for shorts only since I was bearish after we broke down from that range on the daily chart. So take out the liquidity here. You could consider this a short-term low. However, I like this one a little better. So get the market structure shift here, retraces into this fair value gap, can sell short. For this play, you could have taken ES or NQ. You could have taken ES when it swept these highs up here and then made a move lower. However, I saw a divergence on the 15-minute chart here. So I was looking at NQ since it's weaker. We go into NQ here with the divergence on the 1 minute. We get a market structure shift here, right? Takes out this low and this one actually, retraces into here, sell short here. Too much risk for me putting it on the high there. So I just put it right above the fair value gap. And then I'm targeting the 11,850 level here on NQ. So here's some tweets showing, that I actually saw this, so sold short there. I want 11,850 here because of the liquidity, right? And then it hits it by like 2 points, I think. So after Thursday's session, I was looking around on the chart and I saw this 1 hour order block here and kind of drew up what I wanted to see. I wanted to see NQ, take these highs right here and then take out these equal lows here. So since we couldn't really break below that in the regular trading hours, right? So I wanted to see that broken. As you can see, when I woke up this morning, got that move up into there, took the highs, and then started to make a move down. You can see that it took out all the targets. Right in here on the 5-minute, that's kind of when I was looking for shorts right off of open, right? You could really, since on the larger time frames you're playing this 1 hour order block, you kind of could just take shorts on any pop in here. But I like to go down to the 1 minute and look for shorts there. You could sell when it takes these lows right here and then retraces back up right into this order block here. Could sell that. Or when it takes this low out here, shift structure down, retraces back into this fair value gap, sell short there. And you can just hold that out basically all day. And that was, like a 500 point move. So, but as you can see, we had this initial daily target, right, for the whole week. Saw the move up into that order block on the daily time frame, and then we took out the lows, right? So that is the weekly recap. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.